Are you tired of boring walls and empty spaces? Let's change that with vertical gardens. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by a lush green wall. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the magic of vertical gardening. It's like having a garden without giving up floor space. Perfect for small apartments or cozy corners. Not only do these garden walls look stunning, they're also super practical. They help purify the air, reduce noise, and even boost your mood. Plus, they're a breeze to maintain. With a little planning, you can grow herbs, flowers, or even veggies. And guess what? Vertical gardens are eco-friendly too. You can recycle old pallets, frames, or shelves to create your very own green masterpiece. So, not only are you beautifying your space, you're also helping the environment. Worried about the effort? Don't be. You can start small, maybe a few plants on a vertical trellis. Then, as you get more confident, expand your green canvas. So why wait? Give your home the makeover it deserves with a vertical garden. It's easy, fun, and oh so rewarding. Happy gardening!